Guys, this is day 3 of 20 of our Creative Bees class. Now, this is awesome because you just need just 4 strips, just tiny strips to do this. And we're going to be doing it in 5 minutes. So all we need is just 18 centimeters or 18.5 centimeters of your 4 centimeters with gloss green ribbon. You can if you have the one with the gold beaded plated is fine. If not, then you need 8 centimeters of this small one. So we need the doubles, 2 of the 18s and 2 of the 8s. And all we need is just to, like I always tell my students, always make sure that you secure the edges of your ribbon with a highlight source, heater, candle, lighter, whatever. Just make sure that it's well secured. Yes, because we need durable items. Now this is how we're going to do it. Just make a V by folding it into each other, like so, and then you fold in again, just like that. Yes, you're almost there. You're almost there. It's so simple and easy. I always teach my students the easiest way possible. You can use a pin to secure if you want, especially if you're a beginner, because I'm going to be teaching you like a beginner, like somebody who has not even handled ribbon before, and we're going to be learning and learning to do it professionally. So this is the second strip, which is 8 centimeters. You fold it into 2 and you place it right on top of the folded part, like so. This is the front and that's the back. And then you just get your needle and thread and then you stitch. Now you can decide to have 6 stitches, 7 stitches, 8 stitches, depending on how maybe wide you want your stitches to be. But I'm going to be showing you how to really secure your stitches. No matter how many stitches you use, you have to know how to really secure it well. And that's what you're going to be learning here. On Creative Bee Masterclass, which is going to be holding in February, I'm going to be teaching you tips and tricks as to how to really do your hair accessories, your bows, your fabric roses really easy. Yes, easy peasy lemon squeezy, and it's going to look as professional as possible. Yes, professionalism is the key. Yes, we're going to be teaching you like a beginner. So if you're ready to join the class, just send me a DM Creative B and I will send you the link to join the class. It starts in February. Now this is what I'm trying to say. After I have used about 6 or 7 stitches, I had to pass back the needle through again. Yes, just find a way to pass it back through again. Now that gives you a very secured stitch. Yes, see how secure it is? I made sure that my thread was doubled, and then look at it. And then I will now form a knot. Now with this, your hair bow is secured. Despite the fact that we're still going to be using our electric glue gun and all that, we just want to make sure that from the word go, our bow is secure. And that's what this our class is. We're not just going to be teaching you how to make hair accessories. We're going to be teaching you how to make durable hair accessories. So if you want to join, just make sure you just send me a DM, Creative Bees, and I'm going to be sending you the links. Now, this is the one part, and this is the second part I've done already. And then you just use your hot glue gun to secure the 2 parts together, just like so. Yes, I think the hot glue gun was acting a bit funny. So you just use your hot glue gun to secure it. Don't make it too much, just securing the 2 ends. We're still going to be securing it more. And then you put it together, wait for it to adhere together. And we are done with the first part, almost done with the second part anyways. Yes. And the next thing to do is just to prep your clip. I'm going to be using the clip. So we've prepped our clip now. Yes, I know you all know how to prep your clip, but if not, I'm going to be teaching you the masterclass. Yes, so we're going to be prepping our clip, and then we're going to be putting a hot glue gun right by it. Now, a hot glue gun is not a complete or final securer, if you know what I mean. We still use our bow. We still use some of the ribbons to secure it in place, just to make sure that all of our items are durable and they will last long with our clients. Yes, they will last long with our clients. So come rain, come sunshine, they have their bow intact. So it's going to be going all the way around like that. So we're going to be using this bow to secure it round like that, and also to beautify it. So I'm just using a color a bit darker than the color we've got. Sometimes you can just use the same color if you want. Now I'm finishing it at the front, and I'm going to be telling you why I'm going to be finishing it at the front. These are some of the tips and tricks that I teach my students in class, that there are some things that you do and you have rationale to doing it, and then you'll be able to do a perfect job. So I'm just securing the end of the clip that way, because some of these clips are a bit ragged, so we want to try to make sure that we cover it with the ribbon so it doesn't start pulling off on our client's hairs. Do you understand what I mean? So there we go. And then the front. Now the next thing I'm going to be doing is using embellishment. You can use whatever kind of embellishment you want, but this embellishment is really nice, and it's got this adhesive back, so it's really beautiful. And all I just need to do is just secure the front up to the top and the bottom, not at the back where the clip is anyways. We don't need that. and then we are all done and our clip is ready. Again, if you want to join the Creative Bee Masterclass, it's going to be happening in February 2026. Send me a DM, Creative Bee, and I'm going to be sending you the link to register. We've not got much slots left, so make sure you register ASAP. This is so beautiful. I call it the Alicia bead bow. Till I see you in my next one, stay safe, be good, and if you're not following this